Hello, my name is Ron Herring. I'm with Liftline Machinery. I'm a technical sales rep here for this company. Titan Forklifts, the thing that impressed me the most about them is their warranty. They have a 5-year, 6,000-hour warranty, and that alone tells me the confidence that they have in the product, which makes it a lot easier for us to have confidence in the product. I really like this dash area. It's metal. A lot of other manufacturers out there have a plastic dash and they always break, and customers are always paying for them to be repaired. It has quality products. You have a Grammer seat on here. You have Cascade side shifter. It's a well-built product. The ease of putting on the propane tank, it not only swings out, it swings down, which makes it a lot easier for people to put the tank on. Not everybody's big and strong and able to do that, so it makes it easy for everybody to do that. They're buying because they have trust in us, and then we have trust in this product. We trust the manufacturer, the customers trust us that we're going to put a product in that's going to be reliable and do the job for them.